This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version. This matters for menu locations. Once backed up to iCloud or a computer, open Settings and go directly to Notifications and Sounds. You want to locate the app or system alert source now because the next steps change behavior. Make sure Do Not Disturb and Focus aren't masking the alert. They can alter what you see. Keep your phone unlocked and on a stable Wi-Fi network while you proceed. You now find the specific app or system alerts entry under Notifications and tap it. This is the control center for that sound or banner. Once there, toggle critical alerts off if available or change the alert style to none to stop banners and sounds. For persistent system-level tones, go into Emergency Settings and disable non-essential notices. Make sure you understand which emergency alerts you keep. If focus filters are active, inspect their permissions, since they can re-enable or suppress critical alert behavior. Finish by restarting your iPhone so settings apply cleanly. A reboot resolves many residual behaviors. If the alert persists after restart, reset notifications for that app or remove and reinstall it. This clears corrupted preferences. Make sure carrier services or iOS updates aren't overriding settings, and update iOS if needed. If none of this works, contact Apple support with a system diagnostics report. Quick troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.